Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Denon AH-GC20 and I'm going to show you how can you easily select audio device type. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel. Then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now as you can see, we have been connected with our headphones. Now we have to click on this gear icon over here. Now as you can see, audio device type, we have to click on it, and here is our device type: headphones, speaker or others. You can choose between them, but of course the correct one is headphones. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.